it's Kill Bill. So Bear got my canister a couple days ago. I was at Rich Mountain, and yeah, just kind of tore it apart, but didn't get in. So I managed to keep my food, but Bear didn't get it. So that's the important part.
Do you remember what the brand was for that thing?
It's on the lid. I don't know if I can read it anymore. It's the BV 450, BV 500.
Definitely bear proof.
Bear proof. Yeah.
Nice.
Highly recommend it.
Yeah, thanks, man. Well, there's the blaze over there. It'll be a good morning, everybody, if I can get across this street. Oh no, Snacks is going for it. Woo! All right. It is a good morning. Nothing left to do but hike on. There's the blaze. Here we go. So, all in all, I would recommend stopping at least at the station at 19E. 2 thumbs up. Huckleberry Raider. Pretty nice place. Happy. Had a good time. Good breakfast. Hit the trail. Loved it. Thank you, station at 19E. Oh, technology. I just realized that my camera also has a phone on it. And I checked, I got a little signal. So I stopped right here in this little valley. I called my ma. I just talked to her for a little bit. That was so cool. So technology is pretty good. Camera that has a phone on it. Beautiful place. Oh, man. Anyways, I got a bunch of up to do. And no way I'm gonna get up there unless I get these feet moving. So, put this sucker away. And go on a little extra happy. Thanks, Ma. This should be good. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Jones Falls. Lunchtime down by some unnamed river, at least by me. Call it Lunch River. Peanut butter and honey wraps, I think. This is a nice spot. Here, cooking with Huck. Got the peanut butter, 2 beautiful flour tortillas, and a healthy amount. That's good there. Right in there. A little bit more, I guess. And honey. Good stuff. And a lot of people will take this and add crushed up granola bars or fruits or all sorts of stuff. Look at that. I was just kind of hungry for just the peanut butter. And honey. Bon appetit. Mountaineer Falls. Woo-wee. Kind of funny. Not quite as stunning in the rain. Look there. Odd place for a bench, but a nice view. Pretty cool. It's not really raining right now. It's been raining much of the afternoon, but the bench does look like a nice place to sit down. But I'm warmed up, got a couple miles yet to go. Figure I'll camp maybe 4 miles or so from here. It's about 5, a little after. So keep on rolling a little bit. Kind of peaceful and quiet today. An enjoyable afternoon. Springer Mountain, 407 miles. 407. Man, yeah. Hiking the AT. Loving it. All right, I gotta pay attention to this trail. It's pretty slick, even though it stopped raining. These shoes are holding up quite nice. Really like these. Ultra King Mountains, 407 miles, going strong. Little wear and tear on them, but way better than those lone peaks. See those things dying after 200 miles out here. But anyways, enough about my shoes. I love them though. Hey, Blaze. It's been a day of waters, that's for sure. Kind of liking this. So I got a nice little spot here, about mile 411. Stopping for the night. I got a special little dinner, chicken fried rice with mashed potatoes, with a tuna appetizer. Let's see what this looks like in there. Oh. looks good. It's hot. Gonna eat it now. Just a beautiful morning for hiking. Probably like 50 degrees or something. Cool, beautiful sunshine, and finally, been days it seems like. So there it is, shining away. Woo! Wow. You just see forever back there. Oh, life is beautiful. Whew. Blaze. Man, up here amongst these boulders, I just keep thinking like, Andre the Giant is gonna pop out. I'm gonna have to best him. If you don't get that, don't worry. If you do, oh man. All right, back to hiking. Yeah, it's just a beautiful morning, hiking along all by my lonesome. Feeling good. Oh, I just saw a mouse run across the path. Just thinking and thinking out here. It's funny because, you know, I'm not a very sociable person, I guess. I generally like to be kind of on my own, and probably happy, very happy that way. Happier than in the crowds, but run into people and like talking with them and hearing their stories. As you can tell, I've done some of these interviews and stuff, but most of the time, the ones that I just don't film that, I guess, as often as I do it. But something I learned a long time back. Those of you that don't know, I once was a teacher, and spent a good deal of time doing that with little kids. And the one thing that I learned was that one thing that everybody wants is to be heard. You know, just basic. People just want to be heard. And funny thing that I noticed out here is with the camera, when I'm filming, people are always just so happy to share a little bit of their story. And it's just such a good feeling. Getting to share a little bit of yourself with other people. It's kind of a, I don't know, it's kind of a cool thing. I wasn't really, kind of thought it would be the opposite with the filming or stuff, but it's not. It's kind of funny. I kind of like that. I think I'll probably just kind of keep on doing that. Sharing little stories of my own and some of the folks that I run into out here. Because it's quite a social place. It's just not always. I mean, look around. There's just a huckleberry here. And yet you run into so many people. It's awful fun. I don't know. Just thinking out loud now, I guess. You know, the people back home, man, I wish some of you guys are out here. As home sons. Kind of miss them sometimes. But not too bad, I guess. I know they're good. They're doing well. Up to their own things. And it leaves me able to do my own thing. Which is not fall in the mud coming down. But I don't know. I do love talking to people out here. And I do love just hiking all by myself. Blaze. I think something I wish people were more mindful of Just bend an ear towards somebody. Give them a listen. Hear what they have to say. It's, too many people do too much talking and not enough listening. Says the talking fool out here in the middle of nowhere. But I think it's true. Good to listen. Better to listen than to talk, I think. But they do kind of go hand in hand. See that blue out there? I believe that's Tauga Lake. I don't know exactly how it's pronounced, but that in my near future. I'm gonna head on down this mountain. Just spent the last 3 miles going up. We got about 3 miles going down. Oh my. To there. That looks nice. I think there's a hostel down there. Might stay at, resupply, get some chow. Boots Off Hostel, I believe it's called. Look at this fella. Kind of a big guy. It's not a safe place for you on the trail. There's probably other hikers coming. Go, man, go. Come on, buddy. Yeah, get those legs a churning. Feeling the burn. He's gonna make it. Hey, gonna stop to eat? What you doing there, bud? Come on, get off the trail. Yeah. Almost. Up and over. Hardest part. Come on, buddy. There's people coming. Go, go, go.
North or south? Southbounder?
He's just crossing the trail. I felt bad for him.
He looks like he's doing all right.
Yeah, I gave him a little pep talk halfway down.